Hello, thank you for renting with Prestige Worldwide Camping. This is a quick video on how to start and run our Firman 3500 watt dual fuel generators. These we provide on our GeoPro and Element trailer models. When you come to rent the trailer, the generator will be full of gas and provide an extra 1 gallon can of ethanol-free gasoline. If you need more, which you shouldn't for most reservations, make sure to fill it up with ethanol-free gas with an 87 minimum octane. You can check the gas level just in here. Next, you want to come around to select the fuel grade to start the engine. We keep all of our generators stored on the propane setting, which is the blue right here. This is better for the engines and the carburetors to store in propane, so we ask whenever you turn it off, flip it back to the propane setting. However, today we're going to start on gas, so switch down to the gas mode. Pull out the choke right here. The choke is handy if it hasn't been started in a while or if it's cold. So pull out the choke. This is the master on switch, so make sure to go from 0 to on. Once this has been running for a while, you can usually start it off the battery. However, today we're going to do a pull start. So again, make sure this is on, and then come around here, and then pull. It should start right up. Once it starts, push in the choke, and it should run great. Let it sit for a while until the green light right here turns on. This means output ready, and then you can plug in the trailer, which I'll show you in a second. Turn off the unit. Once it kicks into this higher idle, that means it's ready to go. However, to turn off the unit, simply switch it to 0. Once you have the trailer or the generator running and the green light turns on, you can plug it into our 30 amp plug, or if your unit has just a simple 110 volt plug, you can plug it in here. Some common troubleshooting items for these generators: if they don't start on the first pull, make sure to keep pulling. Sometimes it may take 2 or 3 pulls to get these started. Again, make sure that the choke is out so that it is easier to start. However, a very common issue on these generators is the spark plug. So in the case that you need, if it isn't getting any spark, check the spark plug. You open up this back panel right here with these 4 screws. You'll see the spark plug at the top. Use the tools provided in this yellow bag, which will be in the toolbox, which has a wrench and a wire brush. Take out the spark plug and use the wire brush to clean it to make sure that it isn't black or it isn't dirty in any way, and that should help you out a lot. Since our generators are expensive, we include a rope lock on all of our generators. Make sure to lock up the generator whenever you use it or whenever you leave it, just because they are expensive for our security and for yours. Now, once again, like I said, this generator has a propane option, so it can run off of a propane can. You can use the propane cans that we include on our trailer. Just take them out of the unit and set it by the generator. Twist this onto a propane can, and then you'll plug this end into the generator. In this case, you plug it in directly to here. And then there is an electrical connection that you'll plug in right here. It is easier to start the generator on gasoline, so maybe use a little bit of gasoline. Once you get started, then you can switch it over to the propane setting. And then once again, a reminder, whenever you're storing or traveling with the generator, keep it on the propane setting. It's better for the unit, and it'll make sure it starts good for the next time. Thanks again for renting, and reach out to us if you have any questions or if any further troubleshooting issues.